Welcome to the Proactive Investors Bulletin Board, where we're looking at Echo Energy, which today announced the appointment of another Sound Energy executive, naming Will Holland as the Chief Financial Officer. Holland was most recently Executive Vice President of Business Development at Sound Energy. Looking at the daily chart, you can see there's been a bit of consolidation recently, pulled back from the peak last month, just above 20 pence. But we've got the floor of a rising trend channel from March and the 50-day moving average just below 15 pence. And while above that, the target here over the next 1 to 2 months is still as high as 25 pence.